Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have a bonus video for you. Now, many of you know that I have been gone from YouTube for about 2 years. I had a lot of family issues that I was dealing with and currently still am dealing with. But in that time, I did create a few DIYs. I never thought they were really good enough to put up on YouTube, but today I'm going to share one of those with you. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. I'm starting off with this margarita glass and it's from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using some fine gold glitter. I'm just going to begin to paint my glass with Mod Podge so that I can begin to cover it with glitter. Now I'm going to be using this gold confetti and it is from Dollar Tree. So right here you just see me putting another coat of Mod Podge down so that I can sprinkle on the gold confetti. So now I'm just going to set this part of the project aside to dry, and I'm going to begin to work on the other half of the project. I'll be using this reform and it's from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using some frog tape. After I have my wreath all covered, I'm going to take it out to the garage to spray paint, and I'll be spray painting it gold. Right here you see me about to apply some fine gold glitter to my reform. And I'm just going to cover this completely and then try to mirror the other half of the project as much as possible by adding that confetti. Right here you just see me cleaning up the project a little with just some scissors. Next I'll be using this round mirror, and I get these from my local craft store. I decided to give the project some dimension by adding this plate from Dollar Tree. So guys, this is what it looks like. Looking back on it now, I actually do like it. What do you guys think? Also guys, I wanted to thank all of my subscribers for sticking with me. I've been back on YouTube now for 2 whole months, and I am so happy that I decided to come back. You guys just don't know how important you all are to me and how much encouragement you give me every day. So again, I wanted to say thank you so much, and until next time guys, I'll see you next time. Bye guys.